going to take a look at Waterside Park. This is a great new park, still technically under construction, but you can already go and visit and take advantage of these wonderful walkways and all of the exercise equipment and benches along the way. There's also 6 sanded volleyball courts and 6 hammocks already set up for you to enjoy. You can reserve the volleyball courts as well. But Waterside Park is actually part of the larger Waterside Place, which this is Kingfisher Lake here in Lakewood Ranch. Very large lake, and this is an 8-acre island situated on alongside this Kingfisher Lake. So this little pavilion here, there's lots of spaces where you can sit, relax, and just get together with friends away from the hot sun during the summer. And this wonderful little walkway bridge there, and this little courtyard area splits off into 2 rows of shops, including restaurants, places to work out, places to grab a snack, and then there we just flew over the cornhole setup. So it's basically set up to be a wonderful new community space where lots of different people, different ages can get together and just enjoy the natural beauty of the surrounding area and still be able to grab a treat or just get some workouts or some nice clothing, and with all these wonderful spots to just sit and relax and spend some time with family and friends. There is a splash park coming and a playground tot lot coming soon. Not to mention, the farmers market happens every Sunday from 10 to 2. If you haven't yet, you've got to come check out Waterside Place and Park.